Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome once again to our math session. So, as we have revised numbers 1 to 20, shapes and colors in our last session,
we will recap the same.
Children, let's go to the numbers world. Here we have 1 sun, 2 eyes, 3 cats, 4 trees, 5 rabbits, 6 mushrooms, 7 colors of rainbow, 8 umbrellas, 9 butterflies, 10 honeybees, 11 chocolates, 12 yummy ice creams, 13 birds, 14 kites,
15 fish, 16 roses,
17 apples, 18
ice cream candies,
19 balls, 20 balloons. Now we will do revision of colors. Children, which color is this? Yes, this is red color. Now tell me, which color is this? Yes, this is yellow color. Next, which color is this? Very good. This is green color. Tell me children, which color is this? Yes, this is blue color. Next, which color is this? Yes, this is black color. Now tell me children, which color is this? Very good. This is white color. Now we will revise shapes. So children, all are ready? Yes. Tell me children, which shape is this? Good. This is circle shape. Tell me children, which shape is this? Yes, square shape. Look children, which shape is this? Good job, triangle shape. This is rectangle shape. This is oval shape. Tell me children, which shape is this? Come on. Yes, diamond shape. And last, which shape is this? Correct, star shape. Now we will do an interesting activity. So children, are you ready?
let's start. Children, here I have kept different shapes with different colors. And I have also mentioned numbers below the shapes. We have to identify the numbers and shapes, then we will make small dots with the help of finger according to the number. Let's start an activity. Children, which shape is this? Yes, triangle. And what is the color of triangle? Correct. It is green in color. And children, which number is this? Yes, 10. So we will make 10 dots below this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is square shape and it is red in color. Look children, which number is this? Yes, number 8. So we will make 8 dots below this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, which shape is this? Yes, rectangle. And what is the color of rectangle? Yes, it is black in color. And tell me children, which number is this? Yes, number 13. So we will make 13 black dots below this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next, star shape. Tell me children, what is the color of star shape? Correct. It is yellow in color. And which number is this? Yes, number 4. So, we will make 4 yellow dots below this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look children, which shape is this? Yes, circle shape. And what is the color of circle? Yes, it is blue. And tell me children, which number is this? Yes, 15. So we will make 15 dots below this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Children, I hope you all have enjoyed the activity.
Bye bye children. Have a nice day. Take care.